What do you see? Liam, you don't pull on that. No, your fingers are going to get stuck. See, your fingers got stuck. No. Dust. That's called dust.
He's seeing dust particles?
Yeah. In the sunshine.
Oh.
Look at the dust.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch the dust.
Get the Liam. Good boy. Try to get the dust. Can you get him? That's pretty tricky, huh?
He's trying to catch. Honey, you see? Look at him. He sees the dust in the air, in the light.
Didn't you tell Mommy you killed a ladybug today?
Well, we're not sure we killed it.